Hi folks, welcome to my channel, and I'm gonna be showing you how to drift the BMW with rear-wheel drive, and we will see how that is gonna work, right? I did a shot on this car and it got hundreds of views, which is actually nice, and I thank you for your support. So let's get to it. So the first method I know of drifting, you do like this, right? Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, not 100% accurate. You do like this. You saw? You get it? So you turn the car. You saw it. I know you saw it. Let me turn off this. You saw it. So what you do first is you first stop the car, right? Because when you get in the car, it automatically starts. So you turn it off, right? And then after you turn it off, you steer the steering wheel to whatever direction you want it to go, and then you start the car and put your hand on the accelerator or the pedal, and then it's gonna drift. Simple as that, right? Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It also depends on the car, but this is a BMW. I already told you all that it's a drift car, so I'll show you the second method, right? Let me use the route this side. So here's what we're gonna do, right? This is the second method. So what you do with the second method is you do it like this, right? And then you go like, hey, sorry folks, I also crashed the car. But you do something like that, right? You do it like this. You come back while it's moving back. Sometimes it works. You get it? And then sometimes it doesn't, right? The only method that is guaranteed to work is I think it's the third one. I'll show you. Yeah, the gear refused to kick in. It was supposed to drift right there. You saw it. If the gear was right, it was gonna drift. So this is the third method, which is a guaranteed method. This is a guaranteed method. Everyone, no, some of y'all don't know it, but it's a guaranteed method, right? If you use this method, obviously your car is gonna drift. It's 100% guaranteed. Not like the other method. It doesn't even depend on the car. With any car, you can actually drift the car, right? You can drift any car. I don't know if my English is that bad, but guys, I'm trying my best. And remember one thing, I'm not AI, I'm a human being, so I don't use AI features. I feel like some of you all need like human being connection to know what you are dealing with. So, and I'm gonna upload this video today, which is the day I made the video. So let's go here. So what you do here is you use this drift mode. So guys, with forward wheel drive, you will never drift. It will never work. If it works, can you tell me in the comment section and give me the link to your video that you did that? And with all-wheel drive, it actually does work. You can drift if your car tires are actually at 0%. You can drift. I do have BMWs that can drift with all-wheel drive drifting. I'll also show you that, but you first gotta take your car percentage wheels to zero, and then you can drift it. It is kind of nice. I enjoy drifting with all-wheel drive when they're at 0% than I do with drift mode. So let me show you all. Let's go. Right, this is what I'm gonna do. Why did I say it? Okay, this one, it's a guaranteed method. Let's go. So the car did drift, you all saw that, so I don't gotta say a lot about that, right? So if the car did drift, there's nothing you can say, right? You saw what you saw, right? And then the car has a carbon fiber to it. If you all want to know about how to make a carbon fiber and stuff, tell me, don't forget, right? I didn't see the car crashed. I don't remember crashing it. I bet I gotta rewatch the video to see where did I crash the car, right? And then, guys, I'm gonna please you to do one thing. I know this video is gonna get let's say 100 views, right? Can 30 of y'all out of that 100 views, for example, oh, let me put it like this, can 50 of y'all like the video, and then can 30 of y'all subscribe, and then the other 50 can fade away? It's fine. Anyways, it was nice making content for you.